Ready to go? All right, mate. You've been tapped on the shoulder. Denshy's been talking for the last 20 minutes. It's good to see you, Jace.
It's good to see you too, Mark. You got me after the hot minute.
Yeah. Again.
Bit more decent today.
Jace, most people know Sennheiser for fantastic hardware.
Yep.
Right, but there's another element to the Sennheiser story, and it's software. You've now got 5 sort of different pieces of software. Walk us through what you've got and how they help us as integrators and people designing systems.
Yep. So it's kind of the concept of everything from planning and how you develop a strategy for what technology you need in that particular installation or project. Everything from our wireless planner wizards, which I think you may have covered earlier, with Noel, that steps you through what is the best configuration based on which platform, whether that's things like Speechline or EWDX.
Yeah.
And then now,
fantastic. Gives you a bomb.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just takes the guesswork out of it all.
Yeah.
And that's really the philosophy. Like anywhere we can try and speed up a decision-making process for a solutions architect or an engineer or an end user trying to come to terms with what they need. Yeah. That's what we're trying to do.
It's kind of a dark art almost. Like it's treated like a dark art sort of thing. And all microphone brands are the same thing. But you're sitting there going, oh, I'll just get on the phone and call them.
Yeah.
Right. And so as a person who's quoting and estimating stuff, you're sitting there going, oh man, I could be doing that at 9 o'clock at night. Well, I can't call Jace at 9 o'clock at night, right? So
exactly.
I need to get the answers, and this just helps you get there fast.
Yep.
So.
And even if it's just, look, I have a hunch that this concept may work, can I quantify that and maybe present it to the client?
Nice. Yeah.
So something like Sennheiser Room Planner helps with that.
Yep.
Where you can import floor plans or build a room configuration and say, hey, look, I'm thinking about this ceiling mic. What sort of quantities do I need for coverage? Will it give me, if it's working with one of our TC bars, for instance, what's the video coverage going to be like from the camera in that space?
Yeah, it's very easy to map out.
Yep. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. And then you've got the glue, as you guys call it, with Cockpit.
That's it.
Is it touch?
That's it. Hit it.
Look at us go.
Yeah. So Cockpit gives us, sort of that next stage. We've now deployed. We're now commissioning. We've got a monitor. It's the window into all the devices. So it starts with the dashboard view. Gives us a view of devices, batteries and chargers. Yep. And then we can, if there's any offending devices, we can step into that device and it'll take us directly to its attributes to control. Yep. And we kind of skin the cat a couple of different ways, right? Yep. So devices will give you a list of everything that's on the network or in your system. Yes. But if I'm a facilities manager, I'm more likely to think in locations. So the location view helps you get to the same endpoint, but through something that's a little bit more logical for you. So if I hit the locations tab, then I can see, hey, look, if I go into the huddle space, these are the devices that are in that environment, and I can take control of all of those attributes here as well. And do a little bit of tweaking as you go. Exactly, yep. Or in the instance where we've just got wireless, we can go to the location view and it will just give us the key attributes. Okay. So this might be handy if, let's say, an auditorium or a function hall where we just want to see the things that are being operated at the moment. So let's say in an operator mode. And then, I can repair, I can change the EQ for a male or female presenter really quickly without going through all the detail of everything else. Yeah, nice. Very, very nice. And so then you go into Mobile Connect. Yep. Which is your Wi-Fi streaming platform. Wi-Fi, I was going to say audio over Wi-Fi. Exactly. Close it up. Yeah. So this gives us a window into all those Mobile Connect devices that are on the network. Yeah. We can customize the way the app looks. Yep. We can change the stream names. We can make them public or privately listed on the app. And then we can manage QR codes and PIN code generation for those particular channels as well to help manage access restriction. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very, very nice, mate. Is there one more? Wireless planning, I think you may have touched on that a little earlier, but this is really there to give us a step-by-step wizard to configuring multi-channel wireless systems depending on the platform. That's it. Beautiful. Yeah. So it's funny, you talk about the control cockpit being the glue, but it's kind of not. It's all of it now is the glue that sort of brings this whole thing to life. So exactly. All this replicatable results that way, right? Yeah, you're going through the same process. Yeah. You then build an understanding of this is what I've got to go through when I need to build a system. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Really, 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 really nice. Yeah. All this is now available free. All of it. Free on your website. Absolutely. Download it.
and away you go.
Yep.
No
So
more
it's
9 o'clock phone calls.
wirelessplanner.sennheiser.com,
Yep.
roomplanner.sennheiser.com, and then Control Cockpit can be downloaded from the website against any of the BizCom products.
Yeah, very nice. And then Mobile Connect
Mobile
is...
Connect, again, through the website.
Yeah,
Yep,
okay.
Directly in the
Awesome. Guys, if you want to go and have a look at the Sennheiser stand at Integrate 2025, come down, you walk in the front door, basically hang a left. You can't miss the Sennheiser stand. Come and say good day to Jace, Denchi, Brock on the Spectera stuff. It's super, super cool.
Absolutely.
Mate, great to see you.
Great to see you
Good
too.
luck for the show. Hope it
Thanks,
goes
Mark.
well. Cheers.
Take care.